Welcome to Inside Daily English. Everyday life, everyday English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Inside Daily English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Hi, everyone.
How are you today? I hope you're having a wonderful day.
Yeah, we're so happy you're here with us.
You know, every time we start a new episode, I feel so grateful. Grateful that you choose to spend your time with us.
Me too. It's really special. Learning together, growing together.
It is special. And today, we have a very special topic. We're going to talk about restaurants.
I love restaurants. Food, friends, good conversation.
Me too. Going to a restaurant is not just about eating. It's about the experience. It's about enjoying the moment.
Exactly. And today, we want to help you feel comfortable in a restaurant. We'll share useful English expressions you can use.
Yes, simple, easy expressions. You don't need perfect English. You just need to feel confident.
That's right. And you know what? Making mistakes is okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
Absolutely. The most important thing is to try, to speak, to enjoy the moment.
I remember the first time I ordered food in a different language, I was so nervous.
Oh, I understand that feeling. Your heart beats fast, your hands feel sweaty.
Yes, but you know what? After I did it, I felt so proud.
That's the feeling we want you to have, that proud, happy feeling. So, are you ready?
Let's go to a restaurant together. Let's imagine we're there right now.
I'm excited. Let's begin. Okay, Alex, let's imagine we just arrived at a restaurant. We walk in. What happens first?
Well, someone usually greets us at the door. They say, hello, welcome.
Yes, and they might ask, how many people?
Right, so I can say 2 people, please, or just 2, please.
Perfect. Very simple. 2, please. You don't need a long sentence.
Exactly. And then they might say, follow me, please.
Oh, I love that phrase, follow me. It means come with me.
Yes, so we follow them to our table, and they say, here's your table.
Nice. And we can say thank you.
Always say thank you. It's so important.
It really is. Small words like thank you and please make people feel good.
Definitely. Okay, so now we're sitting at the table. What happens next?
The server comes to our table. They give us menus.
Yes, a menu is the book with all the food and drinks.
Right. And the server might say, here are your menus.
And we say thank you.
Exactly. Then the server usually asks, can I get you something to drink?
Oh, good question. So what do we say?
We can say, yes, please. I'd like water. Or, I'd like coffee, please.
I'd like is such a useful phrase.
It really is. I'd like is polite and simple. I'd like water. I'd like tea. I'd like juice.
Perfect. And if we're not ready?
We can say, just water for now, please.
Ooh, I like that. For now. It means right now, at this moment.
Exactly. For now, just water. Very natural.
You know what else is interesting? Sometimes the server asks, still or sparkling?
Oh, yes. That's about water. Still means regular water. Sparkling means water with bubbles.
Right. So we can say still water, please.
Or sparkling water, please. Whatever you prefer.
Okay, so we have our drinks. Now I need to look at the menu.
Yes, this is the fun part.
I know, but sometimes menus can be confusing.
That's true. There are so many choices.
Right. So what do we do?
Well, we can ask the server for help. We can say, what do you recommend?
Ooh, that's a great question. What do you recommend?
Yes, recommend means suggest. What do you think is good?
I love asking that question. The server usually knows the best dishes.
Exactly. And they might say, the pasta is very popular, or the chicken is delicious.
Sounds good.
Right? And then we can say, okay, I'll try that.
I'll try that. I like this phrase. It's simple and confident.
Yes, try means to taste something new, to experience something.
And that's what going to a restaurant is all about, trying new things.
I completely agree. Oh, and sometimes we might have questions about the food.
Like what?
Well, maybe we want to know, is this spicy?
Oh, good question, especially if you don't like spicy food.
Right. Or we can ask, does this have nuts? This is important if you have allergies.
Yes, safety is important. The server will understand these questions.
Absolutely. It's okay to ask questions. Don't be shy.
Okay, so now we're ready to order.
The server comes back and asks, are you ready to order?
And we say, yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. Then they might ask, what would you like?
And we can say, I'd like the pasta, please.
See, I'd like, again. We use this phrase so much.
We do. It's one of the most useful restaurant phrases.
And it's so polite. People appreciate polite language.
They really do. It makes the whole experience better.
Now, sometimes the server asks more questions, like, how would you like your steak?
Oh, yes. For steak, we can say medium or well done.
Right. Medium means a little pink inside. Well done means cooked completely.
And for eggs, they might ask scrambled or fried.
Yes, so many little questions, but they're all easy to answer.
Just say what you want. Scrambled, please. Simple.
Exactly. Okay, so we ordered our food. Now what?
Now we wait and we talk. This is a nice time to enjoy conversation.
Yes! Maybe we talk about our day or about the food we ordered.
Right. We might say, I'm so hungry, or this place looks nice.
This place looks nice. I use that phrase a lot.
Me too. It's a simple way to compliment the restaurant.
And people love compliments.
They do. You know, Emma, I think restaurants have a special feeling.
What do you mean?
Well, there's something magical about sitting down with people you care about, sharing a meal together.
Oh, I love that. You're right. It's about connection.
Exactly. Food brings people together.
It really does. Okay, now our food arrives.
Finally, the server brings our plates and says, here you go.
Here you go. Another useful phrase.
It means, here is your food. Very simple.
Yes. And we say, thank you.
Always. And then we can say, this looks delicious.
Oh, I love saying that. This looks delicious.
It makes the server happy too.
It does. We can also say, wow, this is beautiful.
Yes, because sometimes food really is beautiful, like art.
That's true. Presentation matters.
Okay, now we're eating, everything is good.
But wait, what if we need something?
Ooh, good question. Maybe we need more water or more napkins.
Right. So what do we say?
We can say, excuse me, can I have more water, please?
Excuse me is important.
It is. It's a polite way to get someone's attention.
And can I have is another great phrase.
Yes. Can I have more water? Can I have some salt? Can I have the check?
Wait, the check?
Yes, the check is the bill, the paper that shows how much we need to pay.
Oh, right. So at the end of the meal, we say, can I have the check, please?
Exactly. Very simple.
Sometimes the server asks, would you like dessert?
Ooh, dessert, the best part.
I know. So we can say, yes, please. What do you have?
Or if we're full, we can say, no thank you, just the check, please.
Perfect. Both answers are good.
And then we pay and leave.
Yes, and before we leave, we can say, thank you, everything was great.
That's so nice. It makes people feel appreciated.
It does. Small words can create big smiles.
You know what else is nice? Leaving a tip.
Oh, yes. In many countries, tipping is important.
It shows appreciation for good service.
Right. Usually people tip about 15 to 20%.
But this is different in every country, so it's good to check.
Absolutely. When in doubt, ask a local friend.
Okay, everyone. Now let's take a moment to learn some key phrases. These are expressions you can use at any restaurant.
Yes, we'll say each phrase slowly. Listen carefully.
First phrase, I'd like. This means I want, but more polite.
For example, I'd like the soup, please.
Or, I'd like some water.
Try it. Say, I'd like.
Good. Now, second phrase. Can I have?
This is for asking for something. Can I have the menu?
Or, can I have more bread?
It's so useful.
It really is. Okay, third phrase. What do you recommend?
This is perfect when you don't know what to order.
Yes, what do you recommend means what is good here.
The server will usually give you great suggestions.
Absolutely. Now, fourth phrase. Excuse me.
We use this to get someone's attention politely.
Right. Excuse me, can I have the check?
Or, excuse me, where is the restroom?
Very polite, very useful.
Okay, last phrase. This looks delicious.
We say this when the food arrives.
It's a nice compliment. This looks delicious.
Or you can say, this smells amazing.
Yes, using your senses to describe food is wonderful.
We can also add one more phrase. Everything was great.
Oh, that's perfect for the end of the meal.
Yes, everything was great. Thank you.
Simple but powerful.
So let's review. I'd like. Can I have? What do you recommend? Excuse me. This looks delicious. Everything was great.
6 simple phrases. That's all you need.
And remember, you don't need perfect pronunciation. Just try.
Exactly. The important thing is communication.
Yes, connection, understanding.
That's what language is for.
You know, these phrases work in so many situations, not just restaurants.
That's true. Can I have works in stores, hotels, anywhere.
And what do you recommend is great for shopping, travel, everything.
So you're learning more than restaurant English, you're learning life English.
I love that. Life English. English for everyday moments. Well, everyone, we're near the end of our time together today.
It went by so fast.
It always does. But that's okay. We'll be back soon.
Yes, we have so many more topics to explore together.
We do. And we're so grateful you're here with us on this journey.
Learning English is not easy, but you're doing it.
You really are. Every day, every episode, you're growing.
And we're so proud of you.
We really are. So keep going, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself.
And remember, language is not about perfection. It's about connection.
It's about expressing yourself, sharing your thoughts, your feelings.
And you don't need big words to do that.
No, you don't. Simple words spoken with kindness are powerful.
They really are.
So go to a restaurant, try these phrases, enjoy the experience.
And enjoy the food.
Yes, don't forget to enjoy the food.
That's the best part.
It really is. You know, every time we finish an episode, I feel this warm feeling in my heart.
Me too. It's like we just shared something special together.
We did. We shared time, we shared learning, we shared hope.
And hope is so important. Hope that we can improve, hope that we can grow.
Yes, and I hope you carry that feeling with you today.
I hope you feel proud of yourself because you should.
You're here, you're learning, you're trying. That's amazing.
It really is amazing. So give yourself credit.
Celebrate your small victories. Every phrase you learn, every word you speak, those are victories.
They absolutely are.
Okay, everyone, before we go, let's take a deep breath together.
Yes. Breathe in, breathe out.
Feel calm, feel ready.
You've got this.
You really do. Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
It means the world to us.
It truly does. We'll see you very soon.
Until then, take care
Be kind to yourself.
and keep practicing.
Remember, every meal is a chance to practice. Every conversation is a gift.
And every day is a new beginning.
Thank you for joining us today.
Everyday life, everyday English.
See you next time on Inside Daily English.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.